Sacrifice comes epithelium, and below are the venules or veins where you have RBC. So therefore, if this the magnification that they give you, your answer should be hemorrhoids. And then, if the question is what type of hemodynamic change, what? Congestion, passive congestion. And kung yun, pero kung ito bigay sa inyo, ito ibigay. Ha? Anong hemodynamic change?
Ano may thromboid formation?
Thrombosis. Ayan o, may thrombus o. Ayun pa o. Ha? Ayun pa o. Nakadikit pa dito. That's thrombosis. Ha? So, to be safe, pag tinanong hemodynamic change, lagyan na lang ninyo, passive congestion and thrombosis. Not to be safe. Okay.
Slide 18 ka na. Yep. Yung final.
Pero kung ito lang papakita, yun lang, congestion lang yan.
Passive congestion. Ano naman kung passive or active?
Pero kung may ito pakita isa nito, sabihin nyo meron ng thrombosis, ha? Ayun ang thrombosis.
Saan po yun? Yung purple po yung meron.
Ang thrombosis? Ito, oh.
Yan o, yan.
Ayun, thrombosis, oh.
Dok, yung recanalization.
Wala ito recanalization.
Wala. Okay. Dok, paano po madi-differentiate yung passive tsaka active?
Venous, saka actives. Ito, venous yan, eh. Kaya nga pag pinakita ito ganito, manipis ang mga veins.
Okay.
Ang arterioles, mayroong wall. Makapal-kapal.
Makapal.
Next slide. Tabi na dito para malalaman ko na.
Ito po.
Ito po 70.
What do you want to ask the question here?
Ito po yan po yung active congestion na hemorrhage. Ano yung sabi ng ileum? Ileum with active congestion.
Okay. So, you would notice that this blood vessel, ayun.
Pinaka...
Mostly nasaan ba tayo na naman? Red.
Nawala.
Ayun.
Kaya.
Blue, green.
May color pa.
Wow.
You'll notice that the vessel here is slightly thickened compared to the previous one, which is thin wall. So this is an arteriole. And of course, you have to correlate the other picture. So you can see here that there's an intestinal wall, and this is the serosa. In the previous one, you have the lining epithelium of the Stratomascomus epithelium. That is the mucosa of the rectum, and you have the hemorrhoidal veins there. Here you have the arterioles in the serosa, so therefore this is active congestion. So you can see here also the thicker wall over here. Okay? And at the same time, it's associated with numerous infiltrates of polymorphonuclears there. Ito. Okay, next.
Ito pong 20. Keloid.
Anong gusto nyo rito?
Keloid.
Keloid.
Ano yan? 19.
20.
Chronic inflammation
Ay, 19.
ng
Chronic
skin.
inflammation of the skin.
Ito. 20. Chronic inflammation of the skin.
So, ulcer. No?
Saan?
Chronic inflammation, the ulcer.
Ay, yan yung ulcer. Ay, saan po yung ulcer? Ay,
Sa pinababutang.
Alright. Chronic inflammation, so therefore, you should see the presence of what cells?
Chronic inflammation.
Ano pinaka-importante? Most important.
neutrophil.
No? Neutrophils?
Eosinophil.
No?
Lymphocytes.
Wala na.
Ayun.
Lymphocyte? Ano yun? Hindi ba neutrophil? Ano yun?
Mosi? Patulong mo sa kanila. Ano daw ang hallmark dati sa chronic inflammation? Anong cell?
Sa chronic,
Hmm.
actually, according sa book, yung sa chronic is mga
The one that
macrophages
secretes,
na po.
the one that secretes immunoglobulin.
Plasma.
Plasma cells. Okay. Ayun. May plasma cell doon, di ba?
Yung puti.
No.
Ay, yung violet.
The one with
dark.
eccentric nucleus.
Eccentric na.
Eccentric nucleus.
Eccentric.
Okay. Wala, no?
Oil immersion.
Well, to na oil.
Check ko lang po. Mukhang
Naka-oil
oil
yun
po.
eh.
Opo, oil po yung kanina.
Teka, dito ko lang titignan.
May nervous na skin.
Doktor sa
Skin nervous.
Kasi pala, binigay sa inyo yung slide, mixed with with acute inflammation. So, chronic active ito ha. Ito binigay nyo sa slide, chronic active ha.
Chronic.
There's acute inflammation and chronic inflammation. Then yung minus polymorphonuclears also here. Kasi pala sagot niyo polymorphonuclears. Polymorphonuclears will be associated with what type of inflammation? Acute. Very good. So when you have polymorphonuclears, it is acute or active. For chronic inflammation, you must have ito maganda, plasma cells.
Plasma cells.
polymorphonuclear cells.
Okay, it's very difficult to see there. So just try to look into the microscope. The plasma cells will be the cell with the eccentric nucleus, and then the cytoplasm abundant on one side. And the cytoplasm is pinkish. Oh, here, one by one. One by one. Ilan yung dito? Hindi makita dyan eh. Dito na lang. Dito. Adjust the fine adjustment. Ayun. Makita pala eh.
Kita na.
Dito na, ayan.
Yung
Yung naka-araw. Plasma cell yan.
Dito kita.
Ito,
Di ba, Mosi? Plasma cell?
Pa.
So, ibig sabihin, ito. Chronic, ano din to, no? Chronic to.
Ayan pala, si Dr. Gilbert na bibigyan tayo maganda. Si Gilbert, ayusin mo. Pakita mo yung plasma cell. Ayun. Ayun. Kanina na meron eh, nawala. So to Risley is our former resident, si President.
Patay na lang po kayo.
Ito, di ba ito? Pwede rin. Ayan, pwede yan. Okay. He is now a professor in medtech. Huh? Ano tuturo mo? Physio Ana. Okay. Sino medtech dito? Wala? Wala? Ayun. Okay. There. Very good. Alice, thank you.
Yung katabi rin niya.
Ayan, magkatabi yan. Dahil para doon.
Plasma cells.
Plasma cells. Chronic inflammation. So, mononuclear cells, particularly plasma cells. What is the function of the plasma cell?
Discrete antibody.
Secrete IgG. Kaya dito sa cytoplasm niya, maraming rough endoplasmic reticulum under the electron microscope. Because the main function is to produce immunoglobulins. Protein, no? Okay? Next.
Sorry.
Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yun.
Plasma cell.
Para lumayo ulit na.
Chronic inflammation.
Secretes IgG.
Next slide.
May wifi ka natin taon na nanonood ang video na.
Pwede mo na mag-share kung nakita.
Skin keloid.
Ano yan?
Skin keloid.
Keloid. On keloid, you just see the formation of collagen. And then ang keloid, eh? There, these are the collagen. Collagen,
Oh, I see.
bunch of collagen. Kailan makita nyo sa
Yung
keloid?
pink po?
Yes,
Okay.
collagen.
Puro collagen ang keloid. Yung pink
Pero siguro kung bibesa niya sa low power bibigay.
sa favorite
Yung keloid.
Keloid. Keloid, collagen.
Ay, ano
Ayan.
yan? Ay,
Sa low power lang bibigay yan.
Parang hirap.
skin ba yan?
Puro ano yan? Puro collagen fibers lang yan.
Oh.
Keloid, okay.
So, anong slide yan?
20.
Okay.
Malayo ka. Kasi, tetanin. Tetanin. Wait lang.
Next. Next lang.
Ay, ito po. Yung 11 giraffe. Thanks.
Oh, sorry.
Sige.
Yes.
Coagulation necrosis sa placenta.
Sige.
And the skin nevus. 11 ba yan?
Nibus yan. Sa nibus, ang papakita lang dyan, melanin pigments. Ha? Ha?
Melanin pigment.
Melanin
Ano yan?
pigment.
Ano slide?
11.
10-11.
Skin nevus.
Ayan,
What is
there.
nevus?
Ayan.
Basa. Ay,
Kailan melanin pigments, ha? Ito.
Yung medyo brownish.
okay.
Nevus skin.
Hindi bus, nibus.
Nibus. Nevus.
Spelling ko kasi. Yung brown.
Brown pigments.
Ito.
Okay? Yan ang papakita sa inyo. Kung bakit high power pa. Ayan. Yan lang. Yan.
Yun lang din pala.
So, pigment formation, nibus.
Melanin.
Melanin pigments. Yan lang papakita. Ano pa?
Ito po. Ay, tapos na yung 20.
Oo, tapos na yung
Ano
20.
ito?
20.
5% sabi niyo.
Sorry.
Yun ba yun?
Kilo dito, di ba?
Kilo, tapos
ito.
na yan.
Saan na yung placenta? Natanggal.
Asa na? Lamang?
Wait lang. Ayun, number 3. Ano na yung number 3 na slide?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Baka
Number
na-misplace.
4 yan. Hindi tapos na yun.
Tapos
So,
na ito.
apoptosis. Tapos na.
Apoptosis to.
Ah, ito po. Ayun, sorry.
Na-misplace. Coagulative necrosis placenta ngayon.
Okay.
Sabi ni Joanna, ulitin ko daw. Coagulative necrosis placenta.
Alright. So, the normal force of the placenta is over here. You will see the presence of the sensitive trophoblast.
Trophoblast.
There. You will see the presence of the trophoblast, the blue ones over there lining. But in some areas, there. Very particular here. Yeah. Here. Wala to infarct ha? Wala. Kala po ba kayo ba? Wala to infarct. Ito, this one. Hindi natin kung meron dito infarct. Wala.
Nilagay ko muna yung dystrophic calcification.
Ano yun?
Diba? What's that? This doesn't sound familiar. You must put
This area is the area of infarct. So, let's try to
Infarct?
look under the microscope the villi are no longer identifiable because they blend with the background. You don't have these lines of trophoblast. Ito may trophoblast, ano? So, pero ito wala. No? This area is infarction. Infarct.
Pag wala na pong trophoblast, infarct.
Infarct yun. Nawala ang mga cells niya. Shadow na lang siya.
Shadow
Naging shadow, yan ang shadow. But this one, you could see the presence of trophoblast. Okay.
Placenta din.
Placental infarct. Yun next.
Dystrophic calcification.
Madali lang yun. So, dystrophic calcification, bibigay sa inyo yung atherosclerosis. Ito, yung may dystrophic, this one. Ito. Ito, this one. This is seen in atheroma. So, in atherosclerosis with calcification, have you seen the aorta in our case? The gross? This is the area of the calcification, yan, ilalim. This is the calcification. Dystrophic yun, ha? Metastatic when there is a high level of calcium.
Calcium.
Okay, next. But in dystrophic calcification, there's no association with calcium and calcification. The calcification is due to the necrosis of the tissue. Next.
Lung anthracosis.
Anthracosis. Sa picture natin kanina ito, di ba? Ayan, ang dami.
Ito yung caseous.
Here, ang dami, oh.
Anthracosis.
Black pigments. What element? Carbon.
Caseous necrosis sa lung.
Sana matanda natin lahat.
Kaya nga.
Ang gagawin sa inyo dyan, sigurado ganito, no? Papakita itong granuloma sa taas, tapos ituturo ito, what is the type of necrosis. So your diagnosis should be casus necrosis to granular area, ang casus necrosis. This area is the granuloma.
Granuloma.
Okay, and you have the giant cells over there. And the mantle of lymphocytes over there. So you have the capillary cells over here. And you have in the center, the casus necrosis. Okay? Okay, next.
Hyperplastic lymph node.
Mahirap yan.
Casus necrosis. Ano ito?
Hyperplastic lymph node.
Hyperplastic lymph node? Lymph node.
Wala, ito na papakita sa inyo dyan. Yan lang. You will have enlarged follicles and the interfollicular cells are numerous. So there's hyperplasia of the lymph nodes. Okay. So, in other words, in our layman's term, malalaki yan, and we call this as kulani, di ba? Kulani. Okay.
Kulani.
That's hyperplastic lymph nodes. Next.
Uy, kayo, ano pa gusto nyo?
Oh, wala na?
Paano nakita nila? Hindi pa po exam yung cancer, di ba?
Hindi pa.
Yung nasal polyp, 33.
Ano sa polyp?
Ayan.
Nasal polyp.
Type
On
2.
nasal polyp, when they give you a slide with the pseudostatical colorectal epithelium, over here, this is the lining epithelium, and you can see the background, the presence of numerous lymphocytes, plasma cells, and eosinophils. And eosinophils. You have nasal polyp. Here. Mosi, pwede mo lakihan to? Gusto ko lang pakita yung eosinophils.
Ay, oo.
Yung eosinophils, pakita mo nga. Gusto pakita mo lang yung eosinophils. So this is an allergic reaction, nasal polyps, no? Therefore, what hypersensitivity reaction? Ha?
Type 1.
Type 1.
Type 1.
Eosinophils. Eosinophils. Sige, ganyan mo lang. I will point a cell and then identify to me. Sige. Sige, ganyan mo lang. Magming galaw. Okay. This cell, what is this cell?
Plasma cell.
Plasma cell.
Plasma.
Oo, yung papagkita mo.
This cell, lymphocyte.
Lymphocytes.
Sige mo si change sa ibang area. Yan. Ayun yung maganda doon.
Sorry, labat na.
This cell,
Plasma.
eosinophil. This cell, eosinophil.
Kasi may nucleus siya. Oo nga, na-artist ko yung nucleus. Okay,
This cell, eosinophil. This cell, plasma cell. This one,
Plus
this one.
lymphocyte.
Okay, okay na.
So yung plasma at eosinophils, pares, pero yung eosinophils.
Wala kang polis?
Oo,
Yung plasma
pink
dark
Lymphocytes,
violet. Lymphocytes.
Alam mo kung may polis?
na maliit.
Paras wala kang polis?
Yes.
So, dyan na tayo.
Ayan, dyan. Yung mga polis. Ayan, dyan. Ayan, dyan. Wala. Walang polis. Wala, ano? Walang polis, mga polis yan. Sige, okay na yun. Okay. What else?
Cirrhosis.
Si Dr. Rebel ba mag-review? When he gives you a review, you join them. He's going the one to collect for the slide examination.
Ano siya eh?
Puntahan natin.
Di ba sila under the doctor?
He's the one who will give you the slide projection. Slide exam. So, if he gives a review, you join that. This is here.
May cirrhosis.
Cirrhosis. Kaya na pa sabihin agad eh. Cirrhosis, kaya agad.
Ang ganda lang.
Okay.
Next ako or i-zoom in po?
Hindi na, hindi. Wala na ako sa alam no. No more slides?
Wala yun. Tapos na. Tapos na. Answer na yung
Okay, hindi
Ten
pa
dash, ano yun?
kasama.